Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast easily. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. A pinch of cinnamon or vanilla extract is optional but highly recommended. Also, prepare a shallow dish for dipping your bread. This simple setup ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's create the delicious batter. In your shallow dish, crack 2 large eggs. Add 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a small pinch of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until they are well combined and smooth. This perfectly balanced mixture is the key to flavorful French toast. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Take each slice of bread and quickly dip it into the egg mixture, ensuring both sides are evenly coated but not overly soggy. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the dipped bread in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Your homemade French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's warm and fluffy. You can top it with classic maple syrup, a dusting of powdered sugar, or fresh fruit like berries. This easy recipe makes for a delightful breakfast or brunch. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly cooked French toast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.